Welcome to Varshini vlog. Today we are going to have a glance of noodles preparation in a very different method. Four slices of noodles. I have chopped two tomatoes, large tomatoes. I have chopped two large onions, which is finely chopped, and that masala. And you need to take a heavy bottomed vessel or a kadai, and you need to dry it up, and you can pour 1 tablespoon of oil inside it. And then after the oil heats up, I have you need to add in mustard seeds. Then I am adding those two finely chopped big onions. You need to stir it so that everything mix up properly. Now I am adding 1 tablespoon of crystal salt so that it will get roasted easily. The onions will get roasted easily. You need to stir it properly in the way what I'm doing. You can see in the video. A pinch of turmeric powder is added. Then 1 tablespoon red chili powder. Yeah. See, I'm adding 1 tablespoon red chili powder as I have told you earlier, and you need to stir it again and keep your low flame so that the kadai won't get too much heated up. Then you can add in the two finely chopped tomatoes, and I thought I can add one finely chopped potato also. You need to stir it in order to bring it to boil in a proper way. I am adding just two handful of water. I'm just taking it in my hands, running water, and I'm sprinkling it. After that, as I have told you earlier, I am adding one big potato finely chopped so that you will get more taste. And that I have taken 4-pack noodles, and that four noodles will be there. No, that one you need to clean it in running water. You should not add it directly. You need to clean it in running water, and you need to soak in hot water so that it becomes soft, and you will get in spiral like shape. No, you need to put it inside hot water, and you need to strain out immediately using a strainer. You should not keep for more time, otherwise the all the noodles will then start splitting. So that you will get the noodles in a long strand manner. Now I am adding in that masala, that packet masala what they used to give normally with the noodles. I'm adding it inside. Then you need to stir it again so that all the water, potato, and all the vegetables and salt, red chili powder, that turmeric powder mixes well thoroughly. And at last I'm adding that noodles. So no need to pour any water right now. Just it's enough to mix well with all the vegetables. See, you can have a glance at my video. You need to mix well with the spatula what you have taken. And when I tasted it, I found it's more spicy. So last I'm adding in very little butter. It was too spicy, so I am adding in a very little butter. and mix it up properly. Mix it properly. As I have told you earlier, keep in a very low flame. Now I have transferred to the serving bowl. See how beautiful it is. This method, it's very unique. I mean, you will be thinking that we are adding only the normal vegetables what we are using, but it's not like that. You will get it in a very different taste. This recipe I'm sharing because when I went to a North India tour, no, one time there, in that it was very cold. We went during December month. That time this recipe was made by a man standing in front of a lake where we were went for tour, no. That time he was doing in front of a lake, and it was too spicy, and it was very nice to have as a breakfast in the morning. So I did the same thing at my home and tried, and it came out very well. So that today I'm doing it. So I just wanted to upload it so that at least you can do it sometime, no, to have a different recipe. But its taste will be really amazing. You need to try it, and then after trying it, like, share, comment, and subscribe to Varshini Vlog, and do press the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Bye.